Hello everyone, pray that you all are doing well. Guys, I changed my cooking channel name to Cooking with Erica TV. Cooking with Erica TV, guys. So today, guys, I'm making another juice with some watermelon, beets, and carrots. Sorry, guys. So, guys, I just cut up my watermelon, peel my beets, peel my carrots, and wash them down and slice them up and drop them in my blender, juice them. I had no water to this, no water whatsoever. Yes, I did had water because we were cutting down on sugar intake. And so, guys, you will see where I'm bottling some of the juice. Some of the juices have water and some of them don't, because I was cutting down on the ones that is in the bottles are juice that we put half water and half juice. So we cut back on the intake of sugar. And so the other bottle that is not watered down is the real juice. So, guys, right here I'm just juicing the watermelon. Right here I'm pouring into my bottle, and we are gonna have to pour back into a bigger basin to mix everything together. And so, guys, I'm just juicing. Guys, you don't have to go to the store to buy juice, you can buy your fruits and juice them yourself. But if you have diabetes, please don't do that, because you will get a spike. But if you're good and you don't have all those issues, you can drink your juice straight. And if you don't like sweet juice, like myself, you can just put half water and half juice to cut back on sugar intake. Because a lot of people these days trying to cut back on sugar intake. Even myself. Right here, guys, there's my carrot. And I'm blending away, guys. Blending away, blending away. Right there, my husband is helping me out by holding the camera, guys. So right here, I'm just juicing right here, I'm juicing the carrots. The carrots, I already juiced the watermelon, and right here I'm doing the carrots and the beets. Guys, these beets are yellow. I never see yellow beets before, but guess what? I'm trying them out. They taste like real beets, guy. Right there in the bowl. Right here is beets. It have a yellow look. Yes, a yellow beets. It tastes like beets, sweet like beets. So I don't know. I don't know. What happened? What happened to all the red beets? These, yellow beets come about. But right here, guys, I'm just straining out everything. Guys, I set a strainer underneath the juicer so that all the juice can be strained. So I don't have to go back and strain it over. So I just put a strainer over the pot and just juice the juice, and everything run through the strainer into the pot, and I don't have to juice again. I don't have to strain again. Guys, excuse all my dish rag on my counter, because I'm a woman, I like to wipe down while I'm doing what I'm doing. So if a little juice spill, I promise you, I'm gonna stop and clean up that juice. So that's why I have my dish rags on the counter, one to wipe up and one to catch all the splatters. So, guys, as I said right here, I'm juicing. That juice right there is the beets. Yellow beets, guys. Yellow beets. See, there we go. And now I'm pouring everything in a bigger bowl to mix everything together, guys. So right here is the straight juice that just came straight through the juicer. And right here, I'm pouring everything in my bowl. But we're in, guys, I don't know why I'm pouring in the bouillon, all of it in the bowl, because one bottle gonna stay without water and one bottle gonna be added to extra water. But that's before I realized that I want to bottle up some of the juice, because, guys, I had too much juice, too much sugar to take in, and so I choose to put some in my freezer. So, guys, this is what I did. I put some in the juicer, but, guys, guess what? I have to pour it out back to bottle them up. I'm gonna bottle up some. So watch the process, guys. This, guys, yes, guys. So here you go, two big bottle of juice. That's a lot of sugar. I'm not drinking all that sugar. So guess what? I am gonna bottle up some and put them in my freezer. So watch the process, guys. Get your juice, make your own juice, guys. At least you know what is in your juice. There you go. Again, my big bottle of juice. And there you go, guys. My plastic bottle that I get off of Timu. And I washed them already. And here you go, guys. I'm gonna fill them up with, not fill them up. I'm gonna half each bottle with water. So half of the bottle gonna have water, and the rest of the juice will be poured into these bottles. Okay, guys, right here I'm pouring water, filtered water from my fridge, into all bottles. I think I had about 10 bottles, and so I'm gonna put water in all of them. And then I'm gonna add the juice. So right here, guys, I'm just filling up the bottles. Yeah, da 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 da, tan 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 tan. Hey guys. So guys, I'm using a little bit. So right here, all the bottles of the water. Now I'm putting the juice in the water because, as I said, I'm cutting back on sugar, and so right here I'm pouring the juice to full up the bottle, and so I won't be drinking 100% juice, but maybe 50% juice. Yes, 50% juice because I have half bottle of water and now I'm putting half bottle of juice. So for you, if you're diabetic, guys, they recommend that you don't drink straight juice, fruit juice, because it will give you a spike. So the best thing to do, if you're gonna drink juice, put a little juice with more water so you won't get any spike. So right here, guys, as I said, I make this juice for my husband. He has a little sweet tooth, so I don't want to take away everything from him. So I just put half bottle of juice, half bottle of water. And so it will not be that sweet, and I'm going to keep them in the freezer to give for him to take one or two at a time when he wants. And I recommend that he takes one every day, and maybe a couple times for the week. So there you go, guys. All my bottles are full and covered and ready to go into the freezer. Guys, if you watch this video to the end, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and comment and share and follow my longer videos.